Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my financial abundance day where I work on 12 sinking funds with some saving challenges. So let's get started. Let me see, I use my little randomizer cards here to determine which envelope we are going to do. I'm just going to shuffle these up. And let's see. And I have $80 in prop money. So we are going to 11. 11 is Mystic Budgets. And this is her carded or dice saving challenge book. I just took it apart. And let's see, we got that. Should I do a scratch? Let's see. Let me put this up here. Let's do a scratch. Let's go here. Ooh, $3. And let's do another scratch. Let's go over here. Ooh, we got the moon. Let's see what that is. Hold on, let me get my vacuum. So we got $3. And then what does the moon tell us to do? It says pull 3 cards and stuff the largest and the smallest. Pull 3, subtract the smallest from the largest. Okay. So I have my cards here. Let's go ahead and shuffle these up. Uh-oh, come on. That is not great, but it'll be okay. Okay, let's cut the deck. And it says pull 3 cards, 1, 2, and 3. And let's put those up here. And then it says, okay, stuff the largest and the smallest. Oh, look at that. I got 944. So I can save that amount. Or I think it said, or you can pull 3 cards and subtract the smallest and largest card. But I am going to stuff these together. So 13. All right. Why did I take out this money? Put that back in here. Let's keep out the 13. Oh, look at me just throwing stuff. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, that was the $3. Okay, I'm confusing myself. All right. So let's put that back. All right, let's do another card. We got 10. So let's go to 10. Dreamy Budgets. And these are her dominoes. So let's pick a domino. Let's pick a bone from the boneyard. Oops, says, oh, that one's already completed. Look, you trying to jump out and you completed already. Let's do this one. Okay, let's go here. All right, we got a 5. My camera seems so wobbly right now. What is going on? I need to fix that. So $5 is going to Dreamy Budgets. Put that back in there. Next one, we are going to 5. 5 is the Thrifted Sewist. All right. Let's get our dice here. And let's pick a die. We got blue. Let's go to the blue card. And we need 4, 5, or 6. We got 5. And that is a 3. Perfect. And we're gonna do that again. Let's pick another dye out of here. Purple. Purple is there. Let's see what purple is going to bring us. We need a 1 or a 5. That's a 6. A 1. Oh, I thought that was going to be a 20. That is $2. $2. One and 2. So we got $1, 2, 3, 4, $5 is going into the thrifted sewist. All right. Let's put those cards back in here. Next challenge is 12. 12 is back here. We got Lemon Ivy. And we got these two. Oh, let's put that back in there. And let's see. Let's scratch one from over here. Ooh, that's an 8. So we're going to stop right there. $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. We are hitting the big numbers. All right. Oh. Put that there. And then next we are going to 7. 7 is the humble budgeter. Oh. And that is our friends here who's living their best life. So let's get my D12. D12. And see which card we're going to go to 2. Ooh, 2 has some big numbers here. Let's see. She put in her lipstick, her makeup. She getting ready for the day. Let's go here. Oh, like I said, 2 is a high roller here. So $12, 10, 11, and 12. Right. Let's put that back in the case here. And then we got 4. 4 is Mischief Managed Budgets. And what is it? Oh, this is her You Happy at Boba. I love me some good boba tea. And where are my cards here? And let's just pick one out of here. So let me show you guys the cards. These are so cute. So these are the cards here. Cute, cute, cute. And it says, what did it say? 120? No, 300. Okay. So let's pick a card. Any card. Let's go here. Ooh, let's see what we got. Oh, it has a cute little panda with his boba tea for $10. $5, $10. I used to go to this place called Milk Jug, I think it was called. Their boba tea is so good. So we can put that back in here. And that's Mischief Managed Budgets. And we got 5. Oh, thrifted sewers again. Lord have mercy. All right, let's see what color card are we going to next. Blue. Ooh, what did I just roll that? Let's get the cards out first. Blue. We need 4 and 6. We got a 1. We got a 4. You guys can see that. That's a 4. Another $10. This might be a short video. 5 and 10. $10 more for the thrifted sewist. We are going back to 12. And 12 was Lemon Ivy. So we did let's do her this time, because we did the other fella last time. Let's go up here. Oh my goodness, 8. Oh dear. $8. What is this one says $40. 5, 6, 7, 8. We got $6 left. I need to just, I don't know. I don't know. Decision, $6. What is your choice? Thank you, Jesus. So, let's see. My choice. What's this one? Do I gotta catch all? Not really. Hold on, might do that one. Oh, yeah, we do. We got Reynolds Budgets here. Go ahead and put that $6 here for Reynolds Budget. So let's go. Let's go. Let's do 3 numbers. 3, 4, 6. Right there. $6. Look at that. Easy peasy. Sorry I'm late. I was dilly-dallying. Yes, I was. So that's Reynolds Budget. I love that. That's so cute. All right. So, told you that was a short video. Let's go ahead and see how much each one gets. Let's put these cards here. All right. We got, oh, Budget with Carly. I think I had 1 left on here. I should have started with that one, but that's okay. Budget with Carly didn't get anything. Bookish Mama Budget didn't get anything. Stuffing Budget didn't get anything. Mischief Managed Budgets got $10. So that is her first 10. The Thrifted Sewers got $5, $10, $15. I feel like we're getting close to finishing that one. Reynolds Budget got got $6. I don't know what I was about to say. The Humble Budgeter got $5, $10, $11, $12. Champagne's Corner didn't get anything. Beautiful Budgets Co. didn't get anything. Dreamy Budgets got $5. Mystic Budget got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. All right. And Lemon Ivy got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. And that is 12 challenges there. Just a nice, cool way to save for my sinking funds. Like I shared before, these are my 12 categories for my sinking funds. So I just like having fun doing it this way. All right, gems, that is it. That is my financial abundance binder. And $80 put in. Ooh, I need to condense this because she getting thick. All right, gems. Thank you, everyone, for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.